Vivek, before we head out to the Adda of Gabbar, what caught my eye was this beautiful sight. I think anybody would see this particular boulder.
Pond, because Dharmendra was fooling Hema Malini, as, by telling Kanya, ye hum bol rahe hain, like Shivji. So that is exactly the pond you can see here.
I think if we could show you that boulder, that huge boulder there, we are heading towards that. The small detour we are taking before heading towards Gabbar Adda. I think anybody would recognize that stone.
This is the same location as the famous Shiv temple in the movie Sholay. Yes, this is the Shiv temple where Basanti offered prayers every Monday, hoping to appease the Lord and in turn get her wishes granted. Most parts of the temple, and not to forget the arch with the bell that Basanti rings, were all temporary sets. Amidst a spectacular view of rocks and a beautiful pond, one boulder stands apart, giving away the exact location where this scene was shot. Notice this huge boulder subtly placed on this vast landscape. Now let's again show you how this boulder starred alongside Basanti.
I can't believe the pond is still like that. It's not dried up. I mean, 40 years ago, if you take a look at the original footage and the original scene, you can see the pond here, you can see the boulder. Everything is the same way it is. But that's the magic of cinema. Because when you come to a spot where a temple was built in the movie, here you have nothing at all. It looks so original, it looks so authentic. That's the magic of making cinema, and that's why, watching movies give us so much entertainment.
प्रभु, संसार में ऐसी कोई बात तो है नहीं जो तुमसे छुपी हो. तुम तो सब जानते हो. देखो, मैं ये तो नहीं कहती कि तुम्हें याद नहीं होगा, लेकिन फिर भी अपनी तरफ से कह देना अच्छा होता है. आज सोमवार है. बस एक छोटी सी विनती है प्रभु. देखो, जरा देखो, ये तांगे की लगाम खींचते खींचते हाथ ऐसे हो गए हैं जैसे घोड़ी के खुर. अरे तुम्हारे लिए क्या मुश्किल है? बस ऐसी जगह बात लगा प्रभु की बसंती रानी बनकर राज करे, यूं कि मजा आ जाए जिंदगी का. आगे जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी. यूं कि ये कौन बोला?
ये हम बोल रहे हैं.
प्रभु, तुम?
Let's assume that the Shiva temple was there and you had to ask a word for yourself. Who would it be? Who would it be?
Well, now you got me in a tricky situation, not on camera, Vivek.
शिव, अच्छा, ओके. पूजा के बात करेंगे.
पूजा का क्या बोल रहे हो विवेक? क्या हो रहा है इधर?
बात करेंगे ना.
One of the many scenes that define the movie, a memory that will go past your head when you recall Sholay, is that of Gabbar's Adda. Ramesh Sippy searched through various landscapes across India and finally stumbled upon this secluded rocky zone in the heart of Ramdeva Hills. But getting to that iconic location wasn't easy. We had to go through barbed wire fences, obstructed pathways, rocky landscapes, and thick, dense and wild vegetation. After a long walk, we were almost there.
Well, after a long trek, not really long, but I think the sun is beating down.
It's really humid here. I'm surprised
sweating.
why that is.
But finally, through this thick vegetation, they say that right here in about 200 steps from here is that spot, is where that Gabbar scene was shot. We're just getting onto that a little more from here, but I think
love the way the entire place is set up. I love the scenery. It's just that it's a little tiring to trek here, and I guess you got to come in little casual clothes or other free clothes.
I think so. I think the Samba costume would have been really good.
Samba costume with
And I think if I had a gun here, probably try and shoot around.
As we got closer, we could feel that rush. Something about this place gives you the chills even now. It feels like Gabbar's reign still continues amidst the towering rocks.
So, we finally...
Can you hear it?
I can't hear it. People say we can hear it.
Well,
It's a very popular camping site here in Ramnagar. They come here to witness the Sholay scene, Gabbar walking. People say they can sometimes hear in the night his footsteps, but that's just myth, or it may be true, maybe not true. We don't want to take a chance coming here at night.
a little tired,
Little tired.
little sweaty, but guys, we're finally here. Here is that epic scene, and you can see Shivalingaya there. He's already standing like the great Gabbar
He
did.
tells us he always wanted to do Gabbar Singh's role, but
didn't give him.
Ramesh Sippy said, no, you only come and serve Gabbar Singh food. Now he stands there in Gabbar's costume.
Nobody to stop him. Nobody to
Dreams
save
do
him.
come true.
Yes, this is where one of the most iconic scenes that redefined Indian cinema was shot. This was Gabbar's Adda, where not one, not two, but several epic dialogues were delivered. We had to stay on our toes here because we kept having this feeling कि गब्बर आ जाएगा.
कितने आदमी थे?
सरकार, 3 आदमी सरकार.
3 आदमी. बच्चों!
Vivek, calm down. Calm down. I don't think this is happening here. We can't use this kind of stuff. Guys,
Unparliamentary words, but what a dialogue!
but I think
And I can't come even close to mimicking that.
I think this is that spot where he sat down, had that tambaku, and he puts it in his mouth.
He puts it in
how,
his
was-
mouth.
how was that, Vivek?
He removes the tamba. I mean, chewing tobacco is so out of fashion even then and even now, but
And
that
you should
became
know-
so
and you should
popular.
know it's bad for health.
It's bad for health. He used to put that here, put it in his mouth, and you know, and
Finally that one.
Finally that one. I mean, I can't believe I'm sitting
I don't
here.
think we're good enough to do that.
Yes.
I think Amjad Khan himself.
Immortal.
कितने आदमी थे? सरदार, 2 आदमी थे. दो आदमी. वो 2 थे और तुम 3. फिर भी वापस आ गए. खाली हाथ. क्या समझ कर आए थे कि सरदार बहुत खुश होगा, शाबाशी देगा? क्यों? धिक्कार है. अरे ओ सांभा, कितना इनाम रखे हैं सरकार हम पर?
पूरे 50,000.
सुना? पूरे 50,000.
Well, you saw what Amjad Khan could do, but now you need to take a look at what the team of Newsman actually did a
I
couple
think
of years
Newsman
ago.
loves Ramgarh and Ramnagaram. We've come here thrice. We've come here once to do a promo when Newsman started, and then our ex-colleagues came here and did a Sholay special 5 years back, and we're here back again. I think what keeps bringing us back is just the aura, the legacy of this place. You can feel the energies here. You can literally feel Gabbar's presence here. So we'd like to show you what we shot in the last couple of occasions. Take a look.
How much are you demanding?
Sir, full 10 crore.
How much you want?
Sir, 5 crore.
He want 10. You want 5?
Hello, I'm calling from News 9. I have heard that you are extorting money by striking a land deal.
Arey Samba, how's these people knowing, Ray? News 9 network. Sakkat strong, sir. They're knowing everything, sir.
News 9, Sakkat Strong Network.
Spending time between those legendary rocks was a feeling like no other, and it made the entire trip to Ramanagara that much more worthwhile. By this time, we had found most of the locations in Ramanagara where the movie was shot. But there was something the two of us were still looking for. Well, Basanti.
हाय बसंती, क्या प्यारी बातें करती है.
अरे विवेक, तू तो बहुत सारा बात करता है.
यार हमने सब कुछ बात किया, सब कुछ डिस्कस किया. I think but we forgot about the romantic angle involved in Sholay. The romance
Not
which
our romantic
evolved.
angle, but the Sholay's
Ours is
romantic
romance, it's not romance. But of course on Sholay sets, I think Jaya Baduri and Amitabh Bachchan already were married. Shweta was inside.
angle. Of course, the inside love story between Sanjeev Kapoor, who loved Hema Malini, but then Dharmendra, He was the man.
He was the man.
player.
He took Hema Malini, and then of course Salim Khan met Helen on the sets of Mehbooba, the very iconic song by R.D. Burman, and that's where their love started. So I think Sholay was the birthplace of many love stories, but sadly, none of these love stories, ran that entire mile. They were
Other
cut
than,
short half.
Amitabh Bachchan
So
and
it was
Jaya
more like a real life love story, which people thought was real. It eventually became real, but did not stand the test of time, except for Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bhaduri. Anyway, let's take a look at all the romantic angles involved in the movie Sholay.
Be it the dusk scene where Amitabh soulfully plays the harmonica while Jaya subtly puts off the lamp. Or the scene where Dharmender teaches Hema Malini to fire a pistol.
अब गोली चला दो।
लग गया निशान।
The romance on and off the sets of Sholay was as fresh as the morning breeze. Young Salim Khan is said to have fallen in love with Helen during the shooting of the movie. Even as the famous Mehbooba item number was being shot, Salim sat there quietly admiring Helen. This visit to Ramanagara, or Ramgarh as it came to be known 40 years ago, was nothing short of enigmatic. It was almost like reliving the action, drama, romance and comedy.
जेल में पिस्तौल जी हमारे जेल में पिस्तौल यानी बगावत खून की नदियां सिपाहियों
In the end, as we rode out of the Ramadeva hills, we knew we were carrying home unmatched memories of stepping on the same rock as Gabbar did, sitting on the same boulder as Samba, who delivered that one and only legendary line of his. The hills had mesmerized us and left us wanting for more. But our journey was not complete. We had to make one last pit stop, the place where the last scene of the movie was shot. A location that was about 4 kilometers from the hill. It was the Ramanagara railway station.
It's a nostalgia filled in every moment we've travelled in Ramgarh. You can call it Ramanagaram. But it's a proud moment to know that this movie, which did not make business in the first week of its release, is a classic and an epic film which every film student or even a person who's interested in entertainment watches. And it's changed the way we treat cinema. I mean, Shekhar Kapoor in his one of his books said, it is Sholay BC and Sholay AD. That's the kind of impact it has had on people.
Absolutely. We went through the Sholay Hills, we went through the entire city of Ramgarh, and what better place to end than this, Vivek? We're right here at that end scene where Dharmender feels he's lost everything, finally finds Hema Malini at the railway station, and appropriate to end it here, isn't it?
And Thakur goes back thinking that his mission is accomplished of getting Gabbar arrested. But what is sad is, what we personally believe is, every spot we've gone to, whether it is the pond or Gabbar's Adda or all the iconic places in Ramnagaram, including his railway station, people don't know the value of it. People don't know the importance. They don't know how to preserve this. I really wish and hope the government or the film association, something or somebody should ensure that all this is preserved, maintained, and probably made into a museum. I mean, ask any one of here, any person here, he won't even know what is the importance of the Ramgarh railway station. So, on the occasion of the 40th anniversary of Sholay, standing in this iconic railway station, me and Deepak hope the government of India makes a museum out of this place and all the iconic sites. And when we come back,
even if it's not the government of India, I think Bollywood can take it up. Somebody from Bollywood, somebody from the film
the
fraternity.
Sippis themselves can
Absolutely,
take it
they
up.
can take it up. I think next time when we come back, we hope to see at least posters, or there are hoardings which show that this is the spot where Gabbar sat, this is where Samba sat, this is the pond. I think that would do, even if you can't build a full-fledged museum. I think somewhere for the people to come back and say, well, this is where that historic movie was shot. think that will be beautiful.
I think I'm going to miss all the time I had here riding on the Bullet, me playing Dharmendra and Deepak Viru, trying to relive those magical era. Until next time, I think Ramnagar, I'm going to miss you, Ramgarh, and probably we'll come back to a
Why
museum.
don't we put our bike in a train and cargo train and probably go back in the train? I think that's going to be fun.
Well, that'll be fun. We should probably try going back in the train or something, you know. I really miss this place. Next time we come back, probably it should be a museum, you know.
Museum?
Hey, we played so many parts. We didn't play Thakur's part.
Thakur?
ये हाथ नहीं फांसी का फंदा. ये हाथ नहीं फांसी का फंदा.
ये हाथ ले लो.
ये हाथ दे दे ठाकुर. No!